Cold stone, warm torches. The city isn't asleep, but you wish you were. A bed that never rests you. 4 walls that don't care. You stare, hoping for answers in the dark. A knock, a shout. The guard calls you to work. You rise, there's no other choice. Metal on wood, rope on the wall. Every tool has a job, but none feel clean. Old prints show the scaffold, crowds pressed close, people call it justice. The square fills with faces. They come not to help. They come to watch. Up on the platform. Wood beneath you. Eyes burning in your back, waiting. The hooded man steps up. You keep still. Just breathe. One moment. One sound. The crowd swallows it. Then silence pretends it never happened. Blood on the boards. The body's gone. But your work is just beginning. Back through the alley. Empty bucket. Heavy steps. You carry it all home. Cold barrel, cold water. Red floats, slow and stubborn, as you scrub your hands raw. Shirt and rag, stained again. You hang them in the shadows, proof that nothing gets clean. A few coins land in your hand. Not enough to feel rich. More than enough to weigh you down. Out on the street, people greet you like nothing happened. You nod. Let the world keep moving. Morning paints the square gentle. The block still waits, silent, unchanging. You step up to the wood. No speech, no hope. Just routine. No crowd now, just boards, air, and a silence that stains stone. The scaffold stands, empty, but never innocent. It remembers what others forget. On your knees, you scrub the cobbles harder. You can't wash the memory away. You wipe the block. The wood drinks it in. No matter how you scrub, it's always there. Dusk. Shadows creep back, making every beam sharp and mean. One last pour, one last rinse. Dirty water slips away, taking nothing with it. Buckets empty. Slow steps home. Not proud, not forgiven, just done for today. Daylight again. The empty square. Wind through the beams. Another day, another job.